We should take the fiber. No.
Yeah, we should have.
Maybe next time. Next time, yeah.
I want to mount it good on the wall this time.
Yeah.
Since they want it to stay in the house anyways.
Yeah. Baby, can you go in that area? We go there and then go to Nancy.
Let's go over here.
No, not this.
Oh.
Nancy Lopez golf course, because I want to see you. I want to see how did you turn with the
Keep going
stop
straight?
sign. Yeah, like go there, and then we go to stop sign on the way to Albertson, you know, and then we turned before Albertson to go to Nancy Lopez golf course. You can return.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Oh my gosh. Where is the Thai Thai restaurant?
So you want me, when I turn here, you want me to turn right?
Turn right and then there. And then we turn to Thai restaurant.
Right.
Yeah, I want to see you how you turn and where did you go, what lane. Good morning! Good morning, guys. Now we are going to our other property to install the thermostat, and after that we are going to Starbucks too. It's too hot today. What's temperature today, Bibe? It will be 90 Fahrenheit
In
na?
the 90s. In the 90s, yeah.
In the 90s, and it's too hot. So we are going to Starbucks to drink some refreshment.
You lawfully have the right of way.
Yeah, so I want to focus on how you turn, and you know, I think this is it, right?
Yep.
Okay. So it's red now, so you are going to that side.
Right. You have to get in this lane here.
Okay.
This is the only turning lane if you're turning left here.
Okay.
And if I get the green arrow, then I'll be able to just go.
What if it's just green?
If it's just green, then I can go, but
You can
I have
go.
to.
You have to yield.
I have to wait. All of these cars get to go first, and when it's safe for me to go, then I can go.
But you are in the center right now.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yay! Okay. Maybe I can drive it. I think I want to try to drive in the stoplight. So, you know, I have an experience. So, when it's time to go to like maybe Main Street, or if I want to do the exam, and this said that I can go to the MV to try the parallel there, baby, so I can practice it really good.
Parallel parking.
Yeah, because that's the first one that they're going to exam you. Oh, this one is for sale and it's sold.
Yeah, sure is.
Ooh. So on our way, guys, so see you later. We are here, guys, in our other property, and we're going to install the thermostat. So we did buy not the smart one, but it did not work. So instead we got this smart thermostat. So my husband is trying to install it.
So I need like some type of.
What?
Gosh, do we have anything to mark with, an ink pen or anything?
I have pen.
If not, just something sharp that I can kind of
I have pen.
score the wall.
You want pen?
Yes.
I have pen. Alright. Ah. I have pen. Did it work? Okay, this one's work.
Will it breach through?
No, it did not.
It's not.
Oh no.
Right. Just something sharp would be fine too.
How about this one?
Like a screw or, yeah, that's fine even. Probably.
Just push it a little bit.
Trade me.
we did install the thermostat and it did not work, so we're going to contact electrician to check or if we need new wirings. And now we are here at the Starbucks. We're going to grab some ano. When I talk, it's really being buang.
I agree.
Okay. It's because it's like almost 90 Fahrenheit. People want some refreshment.
You want some hot coffee?
I don't want hot coffee right now.
Oh, rub. Lower. Lower.
We're lower. Here?
More to
Yeah,
the
they're
right.
moving. They're moving. Hey. There's a cart behind us too. And there's a car, 3 car ahead of us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Have a
you.
good one.
Thank you, my love. Thank you, my love. For you want some? You want to put this in your drink? Maybe I don't know how to taste it.
I mean, definitely get chocolate. There's lots of chocolate in it for sure.
Look at that beautiful view, people. It's very hot weather. So Polo this morning, he take a bath and I put him on his leash while he's drying off because I don't want him to go around and it gets dusty. Yeah, it gets dirty right away. So I want his fur dry really good before I let him out or before I let him go. Paula! Hi! Yesterday, finally, Paul came here to replace our faucet outside, so I don't need to go back and forth to water my vegetables. So I just want to use the hose, and then, yeah, I'm going to show you later. And then after my husband work, we are going to Asian Market and Walmart to grab some few things. I'm going to show you what Paul did yesterday. And so he changed the faucet. So he buy this at Home Depot, and then yeah, he also put this one. So it's more sturdy right now than before. And he also replaced the master bathroom faucet. And now we are going to let Polo go. You wanna go inside the house, my love? Huh? Oh, humot na oy. Be, come on. Let me see nga. Hi. Let me see. Let me see if you're humot. Humot. Come on, let's go inside. Goodbye. Are you ready? Ready to go inside? Come on. Go. Goodbye. Good morning everyone. Another day, another vlog. So today guys, today I'm going to watch over Dali. So Dali is coming here, and right now I'm going to steam budbud. I already prepared something here. You guys want to see? Wait. Let me. And And then we'll make our coffee. And guys, I already put our budbud here. So I'm going to steam it and eat with coffee. So see you later. Oh, yesterday I did transplant the strawberry and I did put the chair in my garden. So I'm going to make my coffee and sit down there. It's nice to sit down watching your garden in the morning. So that's what I'm going to do. My husband's still here. He hasn't left. He's going to work after 20 minutes.
Run out of turns on one, you can go play the other one.
Guys, Matt is going to work. And I'm steaming budbud.
Where's my budbud?
It's hanging there.
Boy!
The budbud is steaming. Hi, my
I
love.
don't get any budbud.
You can have it when you come home. Let's go na. Time to go to work.
I'm going to shave.
Can I go to work with you?
I gotta shave before the hairline, below the hairline.
Huh?
Oh, it's okay.
Pak. You didn't? I know, really good.
I didn't shave
Fine.
today at all.
Ah, you did not? Okay.
I shaved my head and I didn't shave my neck.
Okay, guys. Matthew is going to work. My God, our windshield is cracked. Our windshield is cracked. Maybe because of too much heat. I don't know. Hi. Mwah. He's going, people. He's going. Bye. Love you. Mwah. Bye. He is going to work. I don't know if I have kugmo when I start my vlog, but I'm so excited with my budbud. It's cooking, people. It's cooking. Yeah. I'm gonna make my coffee, or I need to wait the budbud until it's done, and then yeah, it's yummy to eat budbud when it's hot. Hey Google, turn off the den lights. Maybe I'm going to. I did edit my video yesterday, and then I'm going to review it before I upload it. So I'm going to review it because today I should upload it today on YouTube. So see you later, guys. I'm going to review my video. Our budbud is almost done. There's only 5 minutes left, and I'm boiling water, and I'm going to grab some cup for our coffee. Ta-da! Dali is here. Dali is here. Hi. Say hi, hi. Hi. Dali is here again. Yay, yay. And Lynn gave me some Obi ice cream. Thank you, Lynn. Oh my gosh. It's very yummy, Lynn. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is really yummy. So, what are we gonna eat for lunch? Do you like mac and cheese?
Yes.
Nana Juicy said that you like mac and cheese.
I eat mac and cheese.
Okay. We are here at the park And Dolly is there. She wants to play. Be careful. It's nice out here. Watch your steps. Good job, Dali. Slide. Cheer. It's pretty. It's pretty out here. Hala, nakasang video na yun. Say hi, guys.
Okay, I'm done playing.
Okay. Hi, Tatay. Say hi, Tatay. Hi. Say hi.
Wala po siyang bitawan kay kami may trabaho.
Asa man ka mo trabaho, Day?
Hindi ko tata.
O, pwede na human.
Pagana naman. Palit ko kung kuluro.
Hi, Ann. Hi, Ann.
Halo, Tita Julie. Halo.
Let's do one.
What one?
Uh,
What one?
Tita Julie.
Background? Oo.
Halo.
Uncle Matt is playing. You cannot do it.
Wah.
It's not working very well.
Na may init.
Sheena said that, what's that? There's a cat. Ahang pag mo din his TV. Andiyan mo tawag ra ko nimo sa cellphone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Bye.